Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm gonna show you 12 mistakes that make your dough really bad. So watch the video until the end to avoid same mistakes and subscribe my channel. See you later! Error number 1. Not using a scale to weigh ingredients. This is one of the most common error ever. So people used to measuring the ingredients by using a teaspoon or big spoon or a cup. But the point is, in the world, cups, spoons measure differently. They can have different sizes. Better measuring according to a scale. Error number 2. Adding extra water on the dough to soften it. Hey, this is one of the worst mistakes ever. You can't really add water after the dough is already made, because in this way you are gonna break the gluten network which was already made. Look at this image. It's clear that adding water later is a complete disaster and your pizza will break while you stretch it. Error number 3. Adding extra flour on the dough to avoid stiffness. Oh, this is a terrible mistake. Because when you add more flour on top of the one of the recipe, you are basically changing the hydration of your pizza. This means that your pizza will be harder than expected. A sticky dough simply has to rest to become manageable. Error number 4. Pouring flour all at once. No, this is a serious mistake. Because, first of all, we are not adding any oxygen to the flour. And then the flour won't be capable to absorb the water, giving the illusion to have a need of extra water, as per error number 2. Error number 5. Adding too hot water, also known as welcome to hell. Guys, yeast can suffer. 40 degrees are too much. Hot water can literally kill yeast and making your dough useless. So use water at room temperature. Unless you live in North Pole and the room temperature is 0 degree, don't add any cold water. Cold water, in fact, can dramatically slow down the yeast's superpower, making the fermentation slower than expected. Remember, if you live in very warm areas, cold water can be a remedy to slow down the naturally fast fermentation. Error number 7. Adding oil on the dough. Guys, this is totally bad because once you add oil on the dough, you make it greasy and then you are also increasing the hydration, and there's no need to make it so greasy. If you will cover and seal it, basically the dough won't dry. So don't cover with a lot of oil, please. Error number 8. Keeping the dough uncovered while it rises. So this is the problem. Even if you add some oil, but if you don't cover it, this is the result. The skin is completely dry and the dough is hard to stretch. Look at this guy. It's basically impossible to stretch pizza properly. Error number 9. Adding some milk. This sucks because you can't add milk to dough just because you wanna make it softer. You just need to increase the hydration. And then error number 10. Adding 7-Up, Sprite or any other soda for the same reason. Error number 11. Using a cloth to protect the dough. Oh no, I wouldn't expect from a professional to do it, because you have to seal, you have to protect from the oxygen, otherwise the skin is gonna dry. And finally, error number 12, adding some flour before keeping the dough. This guy really loves adding more flour than expected. Don't cover the dough by flour, otherwise you're gonna reduce the hydration, same reason as before. And seal it! Thumbs up if you like this video, otherwise, see you next time, bye! Hey, where are you going? I was just joking. So, like this video to watch more, leave a comment, subscribe my channel, ring the bell to activate the notifications, and enroll my pizza class on Udemy, link in the description. Follow me on Instagram as Gigio Pizza, on Facebook as Runaway Dough, and use the hashtag Gigio Pizza when you publish your pizzas. See you next time!